Hey guys, my name is Victor. I'm founder of TextLink, and today I'm going to be showing you how to integrate your GoHighLevel locations with TextLink. So what this will provide you is a TextLink conversation provider, which all your SMS communications will go through, whether it's automations or just like regular in-app messaging. Everything you do in GoHighLevel with regards to SMS will go through TextLink. So for folks who don't know what TextLink is, we are a self-hosted SMS gateway platform, which means we allow you to use your own Android devices and SIM cards to send text messages without any restrictions and without breaking the bank. So unlike Twilio or Easy Text and Message Bird that charge like minimum 1 cent per message, you can get TextLink messages for as low as like 10 of that. And we also have zero content restrictions. You can send links, phone numbers, and one more thing, since this is a self-hosted gateway, we have a bunch of stuff on our backend to ensure your SIM cards are protected, and we do like SIM switching, load balancing, lots of stuff to ensure you're good. So now that we went through that, let's go over your GoHighLevel integration. First thing you want to do is create a TextLink account. Of course, I already have one. And by the way, this integration is local currently, but once you're watching this video, it will be live, so that's why it says like localhost here. So once you've created an admin account, that's important, admin account, you go to your team and create a sub-user. I mean, I already have a couple of sub-users, but it's pretty much, it will be the same for you, but let's connect user one to GoHighLevel. Once you create the user, it will look like this. So one more important thing, you have to first, before using this, as it says in like step-by-step guide, you have to connect your devices and SIM cards. And once you do, they will be visible in your admin dashboard from here. And you have to allow the device usage for each sub-account that you want to use it for. So now we have allowed device 5 for user1 at gmail.com. Okay, now what you want to do is go back to the landing page and just click the GHL tab. It will take you here. And you can also have like a step-by-step guide. Pretty much everything is explained here also. Again, to mention, you need your own numbers and devices set up in order to use the service. It won't work if you don't have that. I will leave the link in the description for the setup. So we have done this. Now let's move on to the second part. Also make sure that you log into your like agency sub account in this browser. Click on to GoHighLevel. Now let's select Belgrade. That's the sub account or location that we want to use. So you're going to get this page. As you can see, location ID is the same as location ID here. And API key is the key that you want to copy from your sub account to connect that sub account to that GoHighLevel location. So let's just go back to the dashboard, theme, and take user one's API key and copy it here. Just click save key. You can see API keys updated successfully, and you can close this page now. So if we refresh this, look at this, GoHighLevel connected for the second one is now true. So we have pretty much reconnected location Belgrade to user one. So now all of the resources that user one has access to in TextLink, location Belgrade will also have access to. You can set like daily, monthly limits, set devices, set allowed phone numbers, and a bunch of stuff like that. So one more thing you have to do before this actually works is go back to your GoHighLevel dashboard and go to settings for that location that you have installed TextLink for, and then phone numbers. And then you want to go to advanced settings and just set TextLink as main like conversation provider. Great. We have everything set up. So now just want to go back, go to your contacts, and let's test that this works. I know it works, but I want to show you. This is a tool-free online number that we're going to send the message to. This is test. You can see here. It says like, so let's send the GoHighLevel integration is working. spinning, and it should be sent any second now. And yeah, message is sent. We just go back here, just check it, and as you can see, message with a link has indeed been sent. Great. So now let's see the receiving messages part. I'll just text my friend. Okay, is this integration working? Being sent. I guess amazing. Yeah, and as you can see, we got a response, we got a timestamp from the company. So you can also use this in automations, and whenever you call like native GoHighLevel functions with send SMS, it's gonna work. So another thing that I wanted to show you is that this was the setup for a single location, but you can also do this. Let's go to agency view. Let's just install and uninstall TextLink. Okay, we don't have it here. Doesn't matter. But the point is, if you install TextLink from GoHighLevel Marketplace, you will actually get a page where you can see all of the locations that have TextLink installed in API keys, and you can set them all at once. So yeah, this is like the first basic tutorial showing you how this is actually integrated. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.